I'm gonna try this again. Anyway, the nut is not very far down on the pinion shaft, and as you can see, I don't have. I've got a little bit. Yeah, I could probably tighten up a little bit more, but I can see right now it's not going to be enough. And I've got my old crush washer in there, so I'm gonna tighten this down a little bit more, and then I'm probably gonna take it apart and pull the shim out and see where it goes from there. I've got to do some research too. Each time I do this, I'm gonna do a little research to make sure I'm following the proper procedure and hopefully be successful. We'll just have to see. That's my Jeep update. Be back, and it's Saturday. I believe it's the 9th. If it's not, I'll put the correct date in the captions, and it's about 11:30 to 12. We just got finished with lunch, and that's my Jeep out. This is my Jeep. Yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick video on some of the tools that I bought. This is just some of them, maybe about half of them. And these range from cheap to, I'd say, medium price, nothing expensive. But most of them will do the job, you know, for the weekend mechanic. It's not complete. And I'm still working on my differential here. I'm still running into problems getting this set up right. I'm worried about tearing things up, but I've already overdone it once, and I think I run my outer bearing, pinion bearing, but I got another one coming. And but I'm going to keep trying this, see if I can get the setup right, and check backlash with the damage bearing, which I think I can do until I get ready to make the final setup. I'll have a new crush sleeve, pinion nut, and new bearing for the final setup. That's update for now, and it's Monday. I believe it's September the 12th. I'll have to check on that. I'll update that with captions if all my Jeep out. And this is another my Jeep update, Monday, September 12th. And it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I've been working off and on because I did run into a problem, but I solved part of it. And what it was, I could not get this pinion, you know, far enough up here. I couldn't figure out why the pinion nut would not go down in place. And what I found is that I did not have that race there, right there. It was about a 1/4 inch from being seated. So I tapped it back into place. So that's one of the issues that I created, and I see some marks on that race. I hope, I'm going to check on that. I may, you see those marks right there? Because when I may have damaged the race, I'm not sure. I'm going to check on it. I might be able to just polish those out. And I don't want to, as much money I've spent on this, If I got to buy another race, I will. But anyway, it's about 1/4 of an inch off. There was a gap in there. I don't think I can hold the light, but there was a gap back in there behind the race, about 1/4 of an inch. And I got my tool, and I started tapping, and it started moving, and it went on back to where it was supposed to be, and it would not move any further. So that's going to help. But I'm still not out of the woods. Got a lot to do, because I never did get through my first backlash, get the initial setup and checking my backlash. So I will be hopefully starting on that tomorrow. I've got a new bearing and pinion nut coming in, and I'll do the final. If I ever get there, if I ever make it to what I think is the final, I will set up, and I'll have a new crush sleeve, a new bearing, outer bearing, and a new pinion nut too. Put all those in on the final setup where I do my crush sleeve and all that stuff. I still got several things to do, backlash and gear pattern. I may try to do, I've got the tool to do the pinion depth. That's a little complicated, might be out of my pay grade, but I may try that. Anyway, that's a Mind Juice update. Made a little bit of progress on this hour.
But you had another failure,
boy. Not have it properly seated, and that was on me. So I guess you could chalk that up as a fail. I got a long ways to go. But that's one thing out of the way. That's my Jeep out for now. See you later. Man, I'm surrounded by tools for the equipment.